What is Looksmaxxing? You've likely seen this viral trend on your feed, but it's more than just a hashtag. It's the hyper-focused quest to maximize your physical attractiveness, to boost your social status. The community even has its own vocabulary, obsessing over canthal tilt, interpupillary distance, and jawline exercises, like mewing. It's usually split into two levels. Soft maxing, which covers basic self-care like skincare, gym sessions, and grooming, and hard maxing, which involves risky extremes like plastic surgery or starve maxing. While it's natural to want to improve your image, many experts warn that these unrealistic standards can lead to an unhealthy obsession. Real self-improvement shouldn't be about fixing flaws based on an influencer's checklist. Lasting attraction comes from the basics: a balanced diet, regular exercise, and enough sleep. Focus on developing your passions and your unique style because confidence and kindness are the ultimate ways to max your potential safely.